What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is CALI Rebuildables. Okay guys, so it's Friday. It's time to choose a winner. I'm pretty sure you guys know already who's the winner. I mean, there's one comment that, you know, that's got the most likes, that's got a like 2 likes difference than the other one. It's got 8 likes, so that's a clear win, guys. So I want to thank all of you guys that participated on the giveaway, and I have the video right here, all the comments. So let me put you guys on. Let me show you guys. So there we go. This is the video, as you can see. That's my pinned comment, the one at the very top. And there we go, the comment with the 8 likes. There's one comment that's got the 8 likes. Then the next one to it's got 6 likes. And then we got that one with 4. And this one with 4. Sorry for the movement, guys. We're on the road. But there, I don't know if there's another one with 4. Darth Vader. So that's pretty much it, guys. Those are the ones that got the most likes, but there's one that stands out from the rest with 8 likes, and that's this one, Black Widow. That's Juan Palos. You're the winner, bro. What's up, Gus? The BMW came out very well after all that work you've done to it. The name for the name, bro, I think Black Widow fits it perfect. There we go. And then he separated the comment right here separately, just with the name Black Widow, and that one got 6 likes. So Black Widow 6 likes, and this one Black Widow 8 likes from the same person. So I guess that's the one that fits the car better, guys. That's the one that you like the most, Black Widow. I personally like it too. So that's it. That's the winner, Juan Palos. Check out my description and you'll see my email. Please email me as soon as you can. And but I also want to thank all of you guys that participated, and I'll mention some of the names from all you guys that participated. So of course we got Juan Palos. Shout out to you, bro. You're the winner, like I said. And then we got Radio Rescue, Big Muchacha with 3 likes. Juan Palos again with Black Widow, 6 likes. Matt T with El Chapo got 2 likes. Juan Palos, Black Mamba, 4 likes. Z71 El Moreno, 2 likes. Awesome Auctions with Onyx. Juan Palos with Smokey. Omar Yanez, Nightmare. Juan Palos with Black Magic. Esteban Talamantes Jr., Misterioso. Awesome Auctions, Midnight. Juan Palos, Obama. Imata 31. El Sete, that's like 700, that's like 700 in Spanish. Jimmy Soto, shout out to Jimmy Soto too, Styling Beamer. Shout outs to Chappelle Smithen, Boogie Monster, Crash Live. Darth Vader, that was a pretty cool name too. I thought, actually at first I saw the likes going up on that one. I thought that was gonna be the winner. So shout out to you, bro. That's a pretty cool name. Septimius Severus. I don't know. Let me know if I pronounced it wrong, man. Said I would like to suggest Diablo as the project's name. We got Awesome Auctions again with Licorice. I don't know. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it wrong, guys, in the comment section. Then we got DB Keith, Black Sabbath. I don't know, Monkey D Luffy or M something like that. I don't know, man. The Barbarian Beast, David Streets with CALI Knights. Esteban Talamantes Jr. again, Knight Rider. Awesome Auctions, Black Stallion. Tony Does It. Shout out to Tony Does It. He didn't left the name. Shout out to you, bro. We got PJ Oust with Panther. Omar Yanez again with Venom. Redman, Name It Evil. Awesome Auctions with 1201. Esteban Talamantes Jr. Sombra, that's Shadow. Then we got Esteban Talamantes Jr. again with Zorro. Albert Rivera with La Viuda Negra, which means the Black Widow but in Spanish. Let me see. We got Drewski. Let me see if he left Black Lagoon. Shout out to Roth 1, Dark Knight, Richard Bricker, California Beamer, Neptali Castle, The Reaper, Churak, El Blackie from Medellin Cartel. Then we got CPM 1972, Caliara. Romualdo Rivera with Black Panther. RKS. He said he can't name my BMW. Alfred Rivera with Carly. Michael Lopez, Cali Beast. Alexander Ortiz Shady. Serbia 991. And there's a lot of you guys, man. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna mention all of you. There's just a lot of names. Norberto Martinez, Black Beauty. Let me see. There's a lot of guys. There's a lot of you. I wanna thank all of you guys for participating. If I didn't mention your name, you know, probably I'll mention your name some other time. But right now, I already got dizzy by looking down, guys. But I want to thank all of you guys, and that's pretty much for the giveaway, guys. Congratulations to you, Juan Palos. And well, right now I'm heading to TJ, so you'll probably see this video next time, maybe next week. You know, on my trip to TJ, I'm going to TJ for the weekend again, and I'm gonna meet up with Tony from Tony Does It. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, he does some of you already know, but for those of you that don't know, you know, he does also COPART rebuilds. So I'm gonna head up to meet up with them right now within a couple hours, and because you know we got something going on. I sold one of my BMWs, so I'm ready for a new project, and you know Tony's got the license required to buy from COPART, and we're getting together to see if we can work something out and get the car. So if you guys need a car here in California, hit him up. Like I said, I'll leave the link to his channel, to his YouTube channel. Tony Does It. If you guys need a car, hit him up. But like I said, yeah, you'll probably see my next project next week. So stay tuned, guys. Like I said, I got rid of one BMW. Let me know in the comment section what BMW you think I got rid of, and that's pretty much it. So you guys, I'm gonna continue recording, you know, my trip to TJ, but you'll see that next week. So once again, thanks for participating, guys, and see you guys in the next one.